In this session, let us learn about Java for loop. Java for loop. When you know exactly how many times you want to loop through a block of code, use the for loop instead of a while loop. The syntax. See here, first statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Code block to be executed. Statement 1 is executed one time before the execution of the code block. Statement 2 defines the condition for executing the code block. Statement 3 is executed every time after the code block has been executed. See the example. The example below will print the number 0 to 4. See here, for integer I is equal to 0, 1, then 5, I plus plus. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 was printed. See example explained. Statement 1 sets a variable before the loop starts, integer 1 is equal to 0. Statement 2 defines the condition for the loop to run, I must be less than 5. If the condition is true, the loop will start over again. If it is false, the loop will end. Statement 3 increases the value I plus plus each time the code block in the loop has been executed. See, this is the result. Another example. This example will only print even values between 0 and 10. See here, integer I is equal to 0 lesser than 10, while if we execute this code, see the result was 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 was printed. For each loop. There is also a for each loop which is used exclusively to loop through elements in an array. See here the syntax. For type variable name, array name, the code block to be executed. The following example outputs all elements in the cars array using a for each loop. See here, string cars is equal to Tata, Maruti, Bajaj, Volvo. The Tata, Maruti, Bajaj, Volvo was printed. Don't worry, if you don't understand the example above, you will learn about more arrays in the Java arrays chapter. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 14, Java for loop. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java break or continue. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.